Welcome friends, in this tutorial we will learn about looping. Looping statements. Looping statements are used to run the same block of a code for a specified number of times. In VBScript we have 4 looping statements. First, for next statement, it runs code a specified number of times. Second, for each next statement, it runs code for each item in a collection or each element of an array. Third, do loop statement. It loops while or until a condition is true. Fourth, while when. It loops while a condition is true. For next loop. Use the for next statement to run a block of a code a specified number of times. The for statement specifies the counter variable I and its start and end value. The next statement increases the counter value by 1. Example. Here for I is equal to 0 to 5, print the number is 0, the number is 1 till the number is 5. The step keyword. With the step keyword, you can increase or decrease the counter variable by the value you specify. In the example below, the counter variable is increased by 2 each time the loop repeats. For I is equal to 2, 2, 10, step 2. Some code, then next. To decrease the counter variable, you must use a negative step value. You must specify an end value that is less than the start value. For I is equal to 10, 2, 2, step minus 2, some code, then next. For each next loop. A for each next loop repeats a block of code for each item in a collection or for each element of an array. DIM. Cars of 2, cars of 0 is Volvo, cars of 1 is equal to SAP, cars of 2 is equal to BMW. For each x in cars, document.write x ampersand br/. Next. Do loop. If you don't know how many repetitions you want, use a do loop statement. The do loop statement repeats a block of code while a condition is true or until a condition becomes true. Repeat code while a condition is true. You use the while keyword to check a condition in a do loop statement. Syntax. Do while I greater than number, some code, then loop. Example. If I equals 9, the code inside the loop above will never be executed. Do some code, loop, while I greater than 10. Repeat code until a condition becomes true. You use the until keyword to check a condition in a do loop statement. Do until I is equal to 10, some code, loop. If I equals to 10, the code inside the loop will never be executed. Do some code, loop, until I is equal to 10. The code inside this loop will be executed at least one time even if I is equal to 10. You can exit a do loop statement with a exit do keyword. Do until I is equal to 10, I is equal to I minus 1. If I less than 10, then exit do loop. The code inside this loop will be executed as long as I is different from 10 and as long as I is greater than 10. While when statement. The while when statement executes a series of a statement as long as given condition is true. Syntax. While condition version statements when. Here condition is a numeric variable used as a loop counter. The variable cannot be an array element or an element of a user-defined type. And statements are one or more statements between for and next that are executed by specified number of times. Example of looping we will see in the next tutorial. Thank you.